Welcome to this presentation about the MacMon Guest Service. My name is Nadia, Sales Assistant at MacMon Secure GmbH. If you would like to offer your guests and employees access to your network with their own endpoint devices, it is very easy to implement via the MacMon Guest Service. Depending on the requirements and the existing network, MacMon can take control of the network infrastructure components with routing functionality or via 802.1x VLAN management. You have the option of operating the guest portal directly on your MacMon appliance or at remote locations of your network. You can create multiple portal instances which are all managed through the central MacMon server. The appearance can also be configured centrally and differ depending on the target audience of that specific portal instance. For example, you can add a logo which is then displayed on the guest portal. The guest portal provides several ways to create access authorizations. For instance, the preparation of vouchers for unknown visitors or service providers, direct email delivery of vouchers, self-registration of unannounced visitors, or else, if configured, the ability for employees to register their own devices. The registration process for all scenarios is generally done via a secure HTTPS connection. Next, I would like to show you the functionality of the MacMon Guest portal with a quick example. Employees who have received the appropriate authorization are able to create guest identities and vouchers to provide access immediately or at a later time. Mrs. Stafford has the permission to create these vouchers in the MacMon Guest service. She creates 3 vouchers. The vouchers are generated in PDF format and shall be deposited as printouts at the reception. Mr. Hawkins is a service provider to the company. He can log on to the portal with the access information given on the voucher. Next, he registers his endpoint device and is asked to confirm the terms of use. He can then connect to the specific network resources assigned to him, for example, Internet. The administrative user, Mr. Morgan, is able to monitor the registration process on the MacMon GUI. The created guest accounts can be found in the menu Users, Guests. Here, you can see the registration of Mr. Hawkins. All registered endpoint devices can be found in Endpoint Devices, Guest Devices. The access is monitored by MacMon. This quick example has shown you the functionality and easy handling both for users who create vouchers and for business guests. The MacMon Guest service is adjustable to create the exact required guest access at any time. The customizable layout aligns the portal optimally to your corporate design. Do you have any questions, comments, or a particular situation? Then do not hesitate to contact us. We are confident we are able to map your access requirements perfectly. Best regards from Berlin, your MacMon team.